Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of these PARMIDA LED flush mount lights that I picked up. I was looking for something that could light up in my entire hallway without being dropped down from the ceiling. I wanted something that would sit flush up against it to give a more open feel to the hallway, so that way you didn't have anything hanging down and making it feel somewhat claustrophobic. But I also wanted something that could light up the space really well, so that way when you're walking down the hallway, you don't have any concern of not being able to see well. These lights really solve that problem for me. They're quick and easy to install. They come with a few different features of being able to install on a junction box, or you can install them on a old can light. And I'll show you what the light looks like close up, as well as what comes with the light. All right, so this is what one of the lights look like. It's quite a slim profile here, as well as it's got this cover you can take off. And you've got your screws for different size boxes for mounting the light, as well as something that I really like about this is it's got this diffuser over the LED light. So it makes the light disperse, as well as it's a little bit more pleasant for the eyes, to where it's not a blinding LED that's shooting straight down. It's getting diffused by this nice cover. Installation is easy. You got your standard wires, black, white, green, as well as it comes with this where you can attach this to the light, screw it into where an old light used to be, specifically a can light, and then these attach onto the light and it'll prop it right up into the old can and modernize it and make it look nice and sleek instead of the old can light look. So I really like these lights. They've worked out well. Like I said, I've had them for a year. I've had no issue with any of them, and I highly recommend them if you're looking for something like this.